Hey everyone. So if you follow Nikki James and Megan from Ethereal Art, you'll see that they did these. Actually, you can buy the cups. They're called Jaeger Bombers. But I didn't order the cups, but I wanted to try something similar. So I have a spray can top, which is kind of neat because it's beveled in here on the sides. And you're going to hear kids screaming here in a minute because the bus just let them off. Okay, so I'm going to fill the outside edge with white, and then I'm going to use these three colors, Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, Lucas Prussian Blue, and Artist Loft Turquoise. And I'll put just that little bit in there, and then I'm going to cover it with white. I did lay a white base down so that my paint can flow better, and I won't have to stretch it too far. So I'm kind of hoping we can get, we can have negative space, which is fine with me. But I'm going to spray this with WD-40 so all the paint comes out. And I'm going to do that away from the canvas. Okay. So I'm going to start with turquoise. And I want to be able to get a few layers in there, so I'm just going to use little bits. And now the garbage men are coming. Seems like the garbage men come every time I film, don't they? And back to the Prussian blue. And some turquoise. Back to the Prussian blue. A little bit of the phthalo yellow green. And back to the Prussian blue. Okay, so now in the rest of the cup, I'm going to put white. And I should have enough to fill it. Because what you want to do is cover this paint. And I'm going around a circle so it doesn't go to one area. And that's probably plenty. Okay. This is going to be fun. And we'll wait for the garbage man to pass. Why can't they come at the same time every week? Because I don't film at the same time every Tuesday. All right, so I'm going to hurry up and flip this right in the middle. Oh, that was good. I didn't make a mess. It's not in the middle, but it's close. So I'll wait for the paint to drop. And what that should do is encompass the color and leave us some white on the top. And it'll be like a push and pull effect. When you push the paint up to the white and pull back and the white comes over the paint. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. That's cool. Of course, these are my three favorite colors, so I didn't mind mixing them up in there. And that cleaned that cup out pretty well, so the WD-40 is awesome stuff. I'm going to flip that over, actually. I might get a good skin out of that. So I'm just letting that set for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a torch. When I move it around, there should be some color under that white. Should be. I may have to buy the cup. So I want to bring this right to the end here and let it come off. And then I'll go back. Actually, I should bring it all the way down to that spot there. I have a lot of people ask me what a push and pull is. Anne-Marie does it the best that I've seen. Heather Wright also does a push and pull. Hers come out really pretty. She has a great color combo she uses for those. And I love watching her. And I love watching Anne Marie. And Ann Osborne. And Nikki James. And Erica and Jeff, my resinists. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it back this way. There's still a lot of paint on this canvas, so I'm trying to get the white off first, and then we'll play with it a little bit more. You can see the white coming down. Now the white that I used had silicone in it, and that was one of the reasons that I put the white base down too, because I didn't want it to skip too much. Okay, and I'm going to bring it back this way. So now that it's gone over the edge, it's grabbing. And I'm rocking the canvas, trying to keep the paint in the middle, so I'm not stretching out the edges and making zigzags. And I don't mind the negative space, so you know me, I love negative space. Come on. Well, these to catch up. I'm going to try to bring this off the edge here. Just a little bit. And then I'll go back to the middle. I'm starting to get a few Pac-Man cells. That's what Heather calls them, Pac-Man. So I think that's pretty cool. It's something fun to play with. Different. You could probably, see how that tendrilled out from me pulling that paint. You could probably do that on all your edges as well. I'm not going to take an airbrush to it. What I could do though, I don't know if I want to try it though. I have a comb, I could comb that out. But I think I'm going to leave it alone. Let me give it a torch. I just love these colors together. Prussian blue it stands alone. It's just the most beautiful color ever. When it hits the white paint and it makes these other colors, it's just amazing. I'm getting some little blue cells coming up through the green. So that's it. I am not going to do anything else to it. I think it's pretty. Yep, I didn't get a skin out of that one. So I'll give you a peek up close. See all the little cells there. And there will be more coming up through that green, if you can see the little tiny light blue cells coming up through there. But I'm really liking the edges, so I love this corner right here. It's pretty. All right, guys and girls. That's going to be the end of that one for today. Don't forget to check out my Amazon link below to buy products. That way you're not searching all over the internet. I've already done it for you. And also my Etsy shop link is below. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click subscribe. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And like I said, check out my Etsy shop. I have some pretty hand-painted beads there for summer if you make jewelry. And there's also some kumihimo bracelets and necklaces and sterling silver gemstone jewelry, lots of earrings. Just have fun. Just go take a look and just have fun looking. And I have a few paintings there as well. And I will have more there soon. So thanks for joining me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now.